Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore CRO basics with Hotjar session recordings, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by signing into your Hotjar account. If you do not have an account, visit Hotjar's website to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. You'll see various options on the left side menu. Click on Recordings to access session recordings. Here, you'll find a list of recorded sessions of your website visitors. To optimize your conversion rate, focus on specific segments. Use the filters to customize your view based on date, page URL, or user properties. Select the recordings you want to review. Watch the videos to observe how users interact with your site. Take notes on user behavior, including mouse movements and clicks. Look for common patterns or areas of confusion for users. Identify where users drop off or seem to struggle. This data will help pinpoint specific areas for improvement. Once you've gathered insights, brainstorm potential changes. Prioritize changes based on their likely impact on conversions. Implement the changes on your website. After making updates, allow time for users to interact with the revised version. Return to Hotjar to track the new session recordings. Compare the new recordings to previous ones to assess improvements. Continuously iterate this process to enhance your conversion rate over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.